Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete Gmail account from your Android. So if you also want to delete Gmail account from your Android, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings of your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to access several settings options from here. So what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here what you have to do is find the option for accounts, or you can also find the option for passwords and accounts over here. So simply tap on it. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, what you have to do is find the Gmail account that you want to remove. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll be able to see your Gmail account. So in order to remove that, what you have to do is tap on the remove account option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from phone. So simply tap on the option remove account. Now after that you can see over here the Gmail account will be removed. Let me show you by opening the Gmail. Now when you open the Gmail, you can see over here that account will no longer appear. Like this, you'll be able to remove the Gmail account from Android. So that is how you delete Gmail account from Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.